Hi, welcome to Market Update for August 25th. Well, a few things in this very exciting August. Well, one, of course, is the Jackson Hole Summit. And this was one of those days where you ended up buying the rumor and selling the news. Remember, there was a lot of anticipation that the central bankers were going to say something earth-shattering that was going to move the market. So you did see the market moving up in anticipation of that. And then, of course, when the statements did come out by Janet Yellen, we saw the market slipping just a touch. Now, going into next week, we are continuing with what is a very rock and roll August. Monday begins, of course, the end of the month. That is the last day to trade stocks in the month of August. And let's see if indeed August is going to prove to be a good month for the NASDAQ, which is now proving to have its first negative month in a while. The other two things that we want to pay very close attention to next week are, of course, we have the PMI and the other data that's coming out, GDP. Of course, that's a final reading for the second quarter. But more importantly is non-farm payrolls and what happens on Friday. Now, I bring that up only because, remember, the wording that came out with the Fed announcement today at Jackson Hole essentially says that they are still, whether they like it or not, data dependent. So the data is going to determine how and where their course of action will be. So let's pay very close attention to these numbers. Any surprises in either purchasing managers or GDP, or for that matter, non-farm payroll, could alter that Fed decision and really move the market. The other thing that's hanging over the market, as I've said time and time again, are headlines and the headline risk. Now, we did see the headline risk actually work to the upside with Gary Cohn saying that he was going to stay on with the administration. But pay very close attention. Remember, we could be one or two headlines or tweets away from the market moving 5 or 10 points. This is a big market moving event these days. This is Jack Barugian from the CME Group in Chicago.